Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Tiwari and as a data science and business analytics intern at Spark Foundation organization, this is my first task. Prediction using supervised ML at beginner level using MS Excel. So I have to predict the score of a student who studies for 9.25 hours per day. So I've already copied the given data on another sheet. Okay, so now I have to separate the hours and scores on in different columns. I will go to the data tab, text to column option, delimited, comma. This is how the given data will show. Finish. Now I have the given data on two different columns. So now I will go to the data analysis option and search for the regression option. Okay. Now I have to select the input Y range. So the score column is the Y range and the hours column is the X range. So I will select the whole score column till 86. And now the same for the X range. I will select the whole hours column. Labels, confidence level 95%. Output range. So where will my output will show? So I have to select this, remove the already given data here. Remove the tick from residuals, standard residuals, and line fit plots so that the given plot will come for the marks and hours column. Okay. Now we have the given data. Now to see the whole data clearly, I will go to the Home tab, Format option, Auto-fit column width. Now we can clearly see the summary output and residual output. Now we'll go to the R-line fit plot. Now we can clearly see this. Go to the plus option, trend line, predicted scores. As we have to find out the score, double click on the predicted score of line, display equation on chart. Now we can see an equation on the chart. We can also change the color of the R-line fit plot, but it's clearly visible, so I'm not changing the color. Now we'll copy the given equation and paste it somewhere. So I'm pasting it here. Now we will go to the formula bar, remove the y, and instead of x, I will write into 9.25 because this is we have to predict the score for 9.25 hours and enter. So if a student studies for 9.25 hours, the predicted score is 92.9. So now here I will write the predicted score and bold it so that it's clearly visible. Now we can see that equation, hours, scores, and everything. And here the line plot and the predicted score here. Thank you everyone.